In the heart of the Bronx, where dreams are tested by poverty, where lives are shattered by addiction, where families face homelessness, hope continues to grow.
VIP shows up for the community in so many different ways. For 51 years, we've been showing up for the community.
Before VIP, many in this community were simply trying to get by, without a stable home, reliable support, or clear direction forward.
I bounced around from a few shelters here and there till I got in a shelter that is actually by VIP. And, they worked one-on-one with me, multiple staff to assist me in this process to move out of the shelter system. Even when you have a place to sleep, it doesn't feel like it's yours. That's not really your bed. It's just another bed that can be for anyone that's in your situation.
They helped me remember who I was before I made some very bad decisions and helped me see what I could continue to do moving forward.
Before VIP, we were trying to get services and we're not having a lot of success. We were getting a lot of internships that were only 6-month programs.
VIP partners with a number of organizations, the school districts, School District 12. We also work with the police department. We have our annual job fair.
VIP has been with us for our child safety fairs, re-entry job fairs, and national night out events. Together, we have provided important resources to families about safety and health. Our collaboration shows the good that can be accomplished when government agencies and nonprofits work together.
For those in addiction's grasp, traveling for care isn't always possible. That's why VIP dared to imagine something revolutionary. What if healing could come to them? What if hope could meet them where they are?
The MMU is just an extension of what we do in the brick and mortar. So this gives us an opportunity to reach people who can't otherwise go to a clinic. It makes me feel happy that I can assist them in bettering their lives.
We show up in the exam room where we have staff who are taking care of people using evidence-based practice medicine and clinical services. We show up in hospital emergency department rooms where we have peers who are working with people. In the community where we go out and we provide harm reduction services and we provide food and clothing to people in the parks or where they are, where they congregate. And then we show up for each other, where we provide services to our staff to make sure that they get the resources that they need to provide the services and to show up for the people who they're caring for.
One of our many services is to host providing fresh fruit and produce to the community. We've partnered with our elected officials, particularly City Council and our senators.
What makes VIP very different than any other services is that they're not waiting on patients to come to them. They're not waiting for people who are in need. They're going into places and spaces that we already are here in the Bronx.
What I find unique about VIP is their sense of community. It's a very big community, and you want to be connected to that, especially when you're on this type of journey.
We have board members that have significant responsibilities and then can help build the communication that needed when we need to collaborate. But also, we have board members that have strong relationships in commercial real estate in the Bronx and in Brooklyn.
When you see people that have been, that have been on journeys of suffering and can better themselves through a program that you think is not so tremendous, but is so impactful because it reaches people in their souls.
The impact VIP had on my life was that sense of knowing that I could definitely accomplish things. Feel new again, you feel whole again. So it's more of a sense of pride maybe. It gives you back what you might have lost during darker times.
VIP gave me some solace. They helped me on a means of getting a more peace of mind.
VIP really helps, for example, with my son, being that they were right in the school, they were able to get to him directly.
I think what is most profound is when you see some of our clients transform their lives. And it doesn't just transform their life. Now you have to help transform their family life.
VIP's mission commits us to measure the work that we're doing. When you take care of your sickest and your poorest, you're actually taking care of your wealthiest. And that is something that has been missing from the calculation in our country when we think about healthcare.
VIP helps the downtrodden and the helpless, all without judgment. Let us continue doing this vital work together with energy and compassion.
VIP Community Services, 51 years of showing up, standing by, and helping people move forward. Your moment to make a difference is now. Learn, engage, give today.